Hello friends, welcome to Jaybest Tech. If you are new to this channel, please do to hit the subscription button and the bell button to be notified whenever I uploaded a new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can schedule message on WhatsApp. That's how you can schedule message on WhatsApp, on your WhatsApp friends, also on your WhatsApp contacts. So in this video, we will not be using the normal WhatsApp message which can be getting from Google Play. So this app is known as what? GB WhatsApp. The link to download this WhatsApp is under the description. So check the description to get the links for you to be able to download this WhatsApp on your cell phone. So first you need to launch the WhatsApp. It's not GB WhatsApp. So when you launch your WhatsApp, for you to be able to recognize GB WhatsApp, it will display. The display is totally different from the normal WhatsApp. Okay, normal WhatsApp does not have this icon that look like Wi-Fi, but GB WhatsApp have it. Okay, so if to be able to schedule message on this GB WhatsApp, you need to click on this menu button at the top right. Okay, when you click on it, it will display menu like this, like privacy settings. You can see the GB settings. When you click on GB settings, you're able to set many things on this WhatsApp applications. Okay, so for you to be able to schedule message, all you need to do for you to click on this message scheduler, click on it, then this page will display. Okay, to be able to upload to be able to schedule, you need to do for you to click on this plus button. Okay, when you click on this plus button, we enable you to share. Okay, to schedule the message. You can see where it is my contact. So I'll be scheduling message to a friend they know as Trust. Okay, you can see here, Trust. This is it. Say schedule message. Name, I've already picked Trust. Okay, the message to schedule. So I need to tap in the message here. Let me say like, how you doing? How you doing, bro? Okay, the message will go to Trust. After that, I need to come to the down to set dates. Okay, you can see it, to pick the day which I want this video to be posted, the date in which I want and Trust to receive the message. Let me say, for example, if I want to use tomorrow, I will click on 16. Okay, then click on OK. After that, I need to come to the time. Okay, select the time. I need to pick the time in which I want the message to be posted to Trust. Okay, let me, for example, we're using 12 p.m. Okay, 12 p.m. Then after that, I'll click on OK. So with this, I hit on the schedule button. See it done. Okay, I've scheduled the message already. By 12 p.m. tomorrow, this message will be posted to Trust. Okay, Trust is going to receive this message as a scheduled message. So thank you very much for taking time to watch this video, and also don't forget, if you want to have this app, check on the description button to have the link in which you can be able to download this GB WhatsApp app. So if you like the video, please hit the like button and also the subscription button, and also you can share the video with your friend. And also if you think that there are some things you think I supposed to add which I didn't add, so you can drop it and suggest it under the comment box. So thank you very much, and see you in my next video.